What's up, Barons? I'm Kane Hinkle.
I'm Cohen Bluicky.
And we're back with another episode of That's What Grinds My Gears. So, Cohen, what grinds your gears?
You know, in some of the older classrooms, they have those desks, like with the table on top of them. That just grinds my gears.
Like the one in Murdoch's?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate those desks. You can't like lean back.
Yeah.
You're just stuck there, and it's like awkward to move.
I feel constricted.
It's awful. I hate it.
Yeah, I agree. What grinds your gears?
Well, I actually have two things that grind my gears. The first thing is I'm walking to class, having a good day, no quizzes, no tests. And like I'm going to a class where I'm like, I don't want to say it's like a blow-off class, but like it's like a down day. We're doing like a worksheet and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. And we walk in, the teacher goes, all right, pop quiz. Just grinds my gears. You know what else grinds my gears?
What?
When I'm going to school, well actually before school, I put on my shirt, just say it's a black shirt. And I like text my friend, like, oh, I'm excited to wear this outfit today. And I show up to school, and he's wearing that exact same black shirt.
Oh, that's blasphemous, you know.
Just grinds my gears.
I personally would take that.
Yeah.
I'd fight any guy. Can I say that?
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Back to
Studio.